channel. Friends, today's video digital account packages, personal business with individual about RBC, Royal Bank, accountants, RBC value export, better booking, nude, your cover, pending the right account, saving and explore modes optional, learn about loan, complete credit, what can help with 5 tips management your money is international student Canada, what are optional for customer privacy, 5 tips your match your money in the international student Canada. Will Canada is me the best school and university for international student living from successful easy complaint management money. Here are 5 top tips to help you manage money is international student. Money can have big source of stream your students practical will far from here are 5 top tips to help management your money international student and study Canada. First, create wickets useful. May student get biggest as but broadcast and make life easy by making sure you have money coming to going out here. How to get started? Key item increase allow maximum of 2 hours per week packages class and access with tagging. You match improvement your flexible listing. You have pay the month like your rent and unit cost and how much your cost. You display explain unique United States. Your fixed experience is target are flexible. For example, buying a snack made filet feel is if you naturally, but you can could also bring ones from home. For example, after looking at income fixed experience, the diet biggest $400 a monthly costing of food also target month you can need subcates amount spent from the $200 total your biggest that month to help you stay biggest then several app you can use like nomination available the RBC mobile app using biggest software app and simply taking your money and will to fund ways you are saving. Once have biggest speeding can help fund ways saving. You can each full laptop or something. Once many people saving are using type of account check account. A checking account can be used spending and pay bills. Saving account. A saving account earn interest per can deposit helping you grow much you have. Every I earning much right. Putting a letter always can help a long run. A regular small account adds up quickly. When to learn more about how to saving can get set up for successful check out the financial liquid service by BBRC Factual Edge and Civic Action Leadership Foundation 3 Management Create Verisal we are your move Canada student improvement learn how to build a create history here using create what you are create a borrowing money from a lender such as bank if you have repaid money you will pay back the amount borrowed plus instead constated later for using the money what is create your create history constant factor you are remove before repaid money in the past information comes from financial state reports later your payroll from privacy how do you build a create history using create making regular payment is state create Canada a Canada student create explained can be once your biggest building great history and make your life in international student easy sometime. If you improvement create using online needed that come the payment plans is parts of biggest that's just put too much additional train back balance I needed borrow more money picture such home you enjoy more fact terms like better state rate if you have good create history negative school foundation history shape student easy your booking system understand that international student Canada can help how to manage money for in navigation new earning option in helping financial brain able to work many help gain Canada work experience or insurance your network you choose industry of build explore a new if you Canada allow you can up account at the government of Canada can complete school membership caption code you can work business if you student allow your work or compass or more option for part-time job you can any qualified but also management CEO of work permits also allow state safe online based scams. Let the next more recent 5 tips management student. Like my videos, subscribe channel for latest mission updates.